Guys got stuck, so they're gonna go pull each other out. So the 61, I think it is, narrow gauge is gonna pull out the 56 wide gauge. They might both end up getting stuck here. Pretty tough going through the snow here, but they're making a path over here. I'm gonna try and walk over here, but there's like 3.5, 4 feet of snow. Okay, they're getting out here. They're gonna probably end up tying it off, and they cleared a good path there so Peter can go with his green 56. As you can see just how deep the snow is. Yeah, okay, I'll get her over there. And Peter's just gonna hook up to his machine here. See just the amount of snow there is. There's Schooner Shop Dog. He's just blazing a trail. Mr. Dubois from Cranberry is gonna help out Peter here. We're gonna see what's gonna happen here. Okay, here's the first try here. Peter's gonna hop in. And they're gonna give her a go. Hopefully that chain is strong enough it doesn't snap back and kill me. Mr. Dubois backing up. And there he goes. Nice having two machines, I guess. One unsucks the other. Oh, was it easier than you thought, Peter? Yeah. Hey, what do you think, Schooner? Okay, as soon as Mr. Dubois puts the chains away, Peter's gonna try and move his green 56 here. There you go. That's how it's done. Now, hopefully Mr. Dubois doesn't get stuck. Get out of the way, Schooner. Oh! That dog just wants to get into a Bombardier. Our new addition here to the shop. Daisy. On trial.
Daisy.
Daisy, the new shop dog.
Oh, that's our Daisy. Hey?